Okay, so what we're going to show you here is the difference between a pure RGB and adding the white in. So the white is going to soften and just slightly change the color characteristics. If you need a bit more warmth and a bit of a more pastel tone, then we recommend putting the white in there as well. So at the moment we've got 100% color with 100% saturation on the magenta. So we can still dim that down. So that's just losing the brightness, but staying with the same color saturation there. I can turn the saturation down, but I move towards that white, that kind of cool white end of the spectrum there, because I've only got an RGB chip. I don't have warm white on at the moment. So you can see it's quite hard to achieve a nice soft sort of peachy kind of pink or anything like that. So what happens if I add some white in here, some warm white 3000K LED that I've got? I can change this to a really soft millennial pink, or just add a little bit more of a pastel tone to that. So if I bring my color saturation back up to 100% now, this is the same as the 100% magenta to begin with, except I've got some added white in there as well. So you can see that makes a huge difference. I can add more white here as well and increase the intensity. So I'm getting quite a bit brighter here. I know it's hard to see in the video, but I've still got a beautiful pastel color. To show you in a different color, I can change to like an orange here. So if I get rid of the white, go back to 100% saturation in an orange, that's a really hard color to tell on. And then I can add some white in there to make that more peachy. I'll pick a different color where it might be easier as well. Let's go for, this is a really rich blue, and I can add some warm white in here. Just going to soften that a little bit there. So back to full color with the magenta, because I think it is one that's particularly effective. So that's 100% magenta with 100% saturation. And then I can bring in my white color, so still maintaining intensity. Still really bright. I can still dim that if I want to dim it. I can bring that light level down, but maintain that beautiful soft pastel color.